Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fry broccoli with shiitake mushroom. It is simple and very easy to cook. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 360 grams of broccoli cut and washed, 90 grams of fresh shiitake mushroom, 125 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of onion oil, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, half tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking rice wine, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, and quarter teaspoon of salt. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Start with mixing 2 tablespoons of water into tapioca flour until it has dissolved. Leave it aside. Next, remove the shiitake mushroom stem. Wash them right before cooking to preserve the freshness. Switch on the heat. Add in onion oil, shiitake mushroom, and 50 ml of water. Bring it to boil. When the water in the pan is boiling, add in the sesame oil, salt, and light soy sauce. Stir and mix until well combined. Cover the pan and boil for 4 minutes or until the mushroom is cooked. After 4 minutes, the mushrooms are cooked. Add in the broccoli, stir and mix well. Add in 75 ml of water. Cover the pan and continue to simmer for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the broccoli is cooked and crunchy. It can be cooked for another 3 minutes if softer broccoli is preferred. Now I can give it a taste. It's delicious. Add in Shaoxing wine and tapioca flour mix. Give it a quick stir until the gravy becomes thicker. Switch off the heat. Now I can dish it out. Sprinkle the crispy fried shallot for a lovely fragrance. And we are done. Let's eat! Wow! Very savory and flavorful. The broccoli is sweet and very crunchy, while the shiitake mushroom is tasty and smooth, perfect with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!